On this mural, in order to get my concept art on the wall to scale, I am using the doodle grid method. First step is to just make random doodles all over the wall. These will act as the point of reference for my concept art once I move to the next step. Next, I take my concept art that I want to make, and using an app called PixArt, there are other apps too like Procreate, Photoshop. I superimpose my concept art over a photo that I just took of the doodles on the wall. The step after that is just to look at my phone as the concept art is superimposed on the doodle grid. The step after that is to just look at my phone as the concept art is superimposed over it and just make the sketch. Here is my image superimposed over the doodle grid. I will look at my phone and the grid to make the exact same sketch as I have the reference to make the image scale on the wall. It is better than using a projector as you need some distance from the wall, power supply, and you also have to keep it dark. So I prefer using the doodle grid. I'm using 100% acrylic colors instead of spray paints because of the availability issue in my area, and they cost a lot more than these. So you gotta work with what you have. They are certainly not the worst paints I have used, and certainly not the best either. Making this was super fun. My quarantine project, this super tall and crazy mural. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'll be uploading every Sunday.